And we're back with another Dreame review, but this time we're not going to be talking about the robot vacuums that you're probably more familiar with. Instead, we're looking at something that's a little more hands-on. Meet the Dreame H16 Pro TriForce, the brand's latest flagship cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Now, if you've heard of the H16 Pro Steam, think of the TriForce as the more advanced version of that formula. Both models vacuum, wash, and sanitize floors using high-temperature steam, but the TriForce adds an exclusive foam wash system that introduces foam-based cleaning for tougher stains, grease, and odors. In other words, while the H16 Pro Steam focuses on powerful steam cleaning, the H16 Pro TriForce aims to be a complete floor care solution. And judging by the set that comes with it, this might just be one of the most advanced floor washers we've seen from Dreame yet. So, let's dive in. At first glance, the H16 Pro TriForce looks like a premium cordless vacuum cleaner like any other one, but it's packing a lot more technology than its appearance suggests. It weighs about 6.5 kilograms without the water tank filled, but it never really felt too heavy for most of us when we were using it. The overall design feels modern and well built, with a clean finish and a self-cleaning dock that keeps everything organized when not in use. One of its standout design features is its ability to lay nearly flat, allowing it to clean underneath beds, sofas, and other furniture that would normally be difficult to reach with a conventional floor washer. Despite the amount of technology packed inside, maneuvering the unit feels surprisingly natural thanks to its powered wheel system, which helps pull the vacuum forward while cleaning. The roller brush also features Dreame's Tangle Cut technology, which is designed to automatically deal with tangled hair before it becomes a big problem. For households with pets or family members with long hair, that's a feature you'll appreciate really quickly. Now, the biggest story here is right in the name. TriForce. Unlike a traditional floor washer that simply vacuums and mops, the H16 Pro TriForce combines 3 cleaning methods into one single machine. First, there's a powerful 30,000 Pascal wet and dry vacuuming for everyday dust, dirt, spills, and debris. Second, it uses high-temperature steam cleaning to help loosen stubborn messes while sanitizing floors. And third, it introduces a dedicated foam cleaning system designed to tackle tougher stains, grease, and lingering odors. Think of this as combining a vacuum cleaner, steam mop, and a floor washer into one appliance. In everyday use, dust, crumbs, pet hair, muddy footprints, and even spilled drinks are all handled very easily with little to no effort. The steam function is particularly useful in kitchens and dining areas where grease and sticky residue tend to build up over time. But of course, any other areas with the same stubborn stains is worth giving a shot using this vacuum. Meanwhile, the foam wash system gives floors a noticeably fresher finish compared to standard water-only cleaning, and is the main reason to choose the TriForce over the standard H16 Pro Steam. Another highlight is edge cleaning. The roller brush extends much closer to walls and corners than older floor washers, reducing the amount of manual cleanup needed afterwards. So, makes life easier. But like we always say, no cleaning solution is perfect, or at least there's no one perfect solution for everything. Like most floor washers, extremely dried up stains may still require multiple passes, especially if they've been stained for a long time. And while the steam cleaning function is certainly impressive, using the most aggressive cleaning modes will naturally consume more battery life on this thing. Still, for regular maintenance cleaning or even quick emergency cleanups, the results are consistently excellent. The H16 Pro TriForce features a 5,000 mAh battery capable of delivering up to 72 minutes of runtime depending on the cleaning mode being used. That's more than enough for most homes and allows users to clean multiple rooms in a single session without constantly worrying about recharging or running out of battery. When we do need to recharge, from empty to full, it takes around 4 hours. As mentioned earlier, activating steam and intensive cleaning modes will reduce runtime, but that's a reasonable trade-off considering the additional heating systems being powered. In our opinion, for everyday cleaning, battery life should be more than sufficient for most households. Now, one area where Dreame continues to impress is maintenance. After cleaning, simply return the H16 Pro TriForce to its charging base and let it take care of itself. The system automatically washes the roller brush using hot water before drying it with heated air. This helps reduce odors, prevent bacteria buildup, and minimizes the amount of manual cleaning required from the users. Combined with the anti-tangle roller system, maintaining the H16 Pro TriForce is surprisingly easy considering how much work it does. But it is worth mentioning that once the dirty water tank becomes full, all we really need to do is empty it into the toilet bowl or wherever, and there's a nifty cleaning brush we can use for when the tank gets too dirty as well. And obviously, we can't forget to refill the cleaning solution box every once in a while, which is quite easy to do. In conclusion, the Dreame H16 Pro TriForce feels like the natural evolution of the modern floor washer. Instead of simply vacuuming and mopping, it combines vacuuming, steam cleaning, and foam washing into a single appliance designed to tackle everyday messes with very little effort. The steam cleaning system is genuinely useful too. The foam wash feature gives it a clear advantage over the H16 Pro Steam, and the self-cleaning dock makes ownership a lot more convenient too. Is it overkill for someone living alone in a small condo? Maybe, but for larger households or homes with pets or families dealing with constant spills and messes, the H16 Pro TriForce makes a strong case for itself. It's powerful, convenient, and packed with genuinely useful features that make cleaning less of a chore and a lot convenient, and not to mention easier. At the time of shooting, the Dreame H16 Pro TriForce is available directly from Dreame Philippines for 51,299 pesos, while the brand's official Shopee store lists it at only 45,999 pesos. That's definitely premium territory for a floor washer. But considering you're getting a vacuum, steam cleaner, floor washer, and self-cleaning maintenance system all rolled into one machine, it's easier to justify than you think. If you're already considering the Dreame H16 Pro Steam, the TriForce is essentially the Ultra version, adding foam cleaning and deodorizing on top of an already impressive cleaning package. But what do you guys think of the Dreame H16 Pro TriForce? Would you get it? Or choose something else? Whatever the case, share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, that's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And of course, visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Seth. This has been the Dreame H16 Pro TriForce, and I'll see you guys in the next video.